practically there it now. But when he comes as going to heaven, he will grant you the own truth. He will not speak for his own, but he will speak what he hears and will declare to you the things that are to come. He will glorify me because he will take from what is mine and declare it to you. Everything that the Father has is mine. For this reason, I told you that he will take from what is mine and declare it to you. The Gospel of God.